In this video I show you how to finger crochet a bracelet. For this you will need a measuring tape, scissors, tape or a safety pin and yarn. I prefer to use pearl yarn size 5, but you can also use any other yarn. I used 2 different colors of yarn and cut 2 threads per color, about 100 centimeters or 40 inches long. To begin with, I make a slip knot. To do this, I place a loop about 10 centimeters from the end of the yarn and pull the yarns through the loop. This is how I make the slip knot. Now I start with the finger crochet. With my left hand I hold the end of the thread. With the thumb and the index finger of the right hand I go into the loop, get the threads and tighten the new loop. Then I go back into the loop with my thumb and index finger and hold the crochet loosely. With my left hand I can now pull on the long end of the thread to make the loop a little smaller. I now repeat this process. When the bracelet is long enough, I can just pull on the loop until it unravels. That way the thread is secured. I can twist the ends, for example, which I'll show you next. I can finger crochet with more or less threads, then the bracelet becomes more narrow or wider. The more narrow bracelet I made with 2 threads only.